Welcome. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about charging your 2023 Tesla Model Y. We'll explore home charging, public options, and Tesla's Supercharger network, along with key settings to optimize your charging experience and battery health. By the end, you'll be a charging pro. Home charging is convenient and often the most cost-effective way to charge your Tesla Model Y. You have two main options for home charging. The Tesla wall connector is recommended, providing up to 11.5 kilowatt AC charging and fully charging your Model Y in 8 to 10 hours. The mobile connector uses standard 120 volts or 240 volt outlets, but takes longer to charge. Access charging settings via the vehicle's touchscreen under charging, greater than home charging. Here, set schedules to charge during off-peak hours for lower electricity rates. Limit your charge to 80% to preserve battery health. Public charging expands your range on the go. You'll find level 2 stations up to 11 kilowatt and DC fast chargers, CCS standard. Use the Tesla app or in-car navigation to locate stations. Settings include payment options, Tesla account or credit card, and charge speed preferences. Tesla's updated software 13.0 Plus supports plug-and charge on many non-Tesla Level 2 stations for easy payment. Tesla's Supercharger network provides the fastest charging speeds available for electric vehicles, making long trips feasible for Model Y owners. The 2023 Model Y is compatible with Tesla's V3 Superchargers, which can deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power. This allows you to add approximately 200 miles of range in under 20 minutes when starting from a low battery level, making it perfect for quick stops during road trips. Supercharger settings on your Model Y are automatically optimized for efficiency, but you can enhance performance by preconditioning the battery through the Tesla mobile app. This heats or cools the battery to optimal temperature before arriving at a supercharger, reducing charge times in very hot or cold weather. During peak travel hours, supercharger stations can experience congestion. Fortunately, the Tesla app includes real-time queue management features, allowing you to check wait times and plan your stops accordingly to avoid delays. To maximize supercharger performance, plan your routes in advance using the Tesla app, utilize battery preconditioning in extreme temperatures, and always check real-time queue information to select less crowded stations. Extend your Model Y's battery life by following key tips. Tesla's lithium-ion batteries benefit from proper care, which can help them last over 1 million miles. Aim to keep your charge between 20–80% for daily use. Avoid consistently charging to 100% unless needed for long trips. This reduces stress on the battery cells. As Tesla CTO Drew Baglino emphasizes, keeping charges between 20–80% can extend battery life to over 1 million miles. Preconditioning the battery before supercharging helps by warming or cooling it to optimal temperature, improving charging efficiency, and reducing wear. By following these tips, you can maximize your Model Y's battery longevity and performance. Let's examine real-world examples of Tesla Model Y charging in action. A California Model Y owner installed a wall connector paired with a Powerwall 3 battery system. By integrating solar panels, they achieved 100% solar-powered charging, reducing their electricity costs by 60% and enabling reliable home backup during power outages. On a cross-country road trip, Tesla enthusiasts demonstrated the power of V3 Superchargers. In Nevada, a Model Y gained 200 miles of range in just 18 minutes at a peak charging rate of 250 kilowatt, showcasing real-world efficiency even in hot desert conditions where battery preconditioning helped maintain optimal charging speeds. In New York City, Model Y owners took advantage of Electrify America's high-speed 800 kilowatt CCS chargers. During a pilot program, vehicles charged from 10% to 80% battery level in just 12 minutes, proving that public DC fast charging can now rival Tesla's Supercharger network in speed and convenience. The future of Tesla charging brings exciting innovations. Bidirectional charging, or V2G, allows your Model Y to power your home during outages or feed energy back to the grid. Tesla is already enabling this in select markets like Texas and California. Wireless charging pads are rumored for future models starting in 2027. These would eliminate the need for cables, making charging as simple as parking over a pad. Battery swapping stations could revolutionize charging times. Instead of waiting to charge, swap your depleted battery for a fully charged one in under 5 minutes. Sustainability continues to drive Tesla's innovations. Expect more solar integration and net zero charging solutions, where your car helps create a greener energy ecosystem. You now have a comprehensive understanding of charging your 2023 Tesla Model Y. Remember to leverage home charging for convenience and cost savings, utilize public networks strategically during trips, and optimize supercharger use with features like preconditioning. By following these tips and staying informed about future trends, you can maximize your charging efficiency, battery health, and overall driving experience. Thanks for watching.